So let's talk about heat, because no one of us here can withstand extreme temperatures for a long period of time. It's a barrier to health, well-being, and productivity. That's why we invented a whole new method to cool spaces and buildings. My name is Alexander Baff. I'm CEO and founder of Interpanel. Imagine going from the outside, from the hot outside, into a building, and then a cold air flush crosses your face. It's noisy, it's probably unhealthy, and you know it needs a lot of energy. The second case is, imagine a different space, like it is now outside actually. You go into a room without the noise, without the draft. It's just a cool space which is healthy, chilled, and very energy efficient. It's like a cool sky at home, or like it is cool in the desert. How big is the cooling problem actually? Here in Saudi Arabia, or in almost all hot and hot tropic regions, almost 70 to 80% of the building's energy consumption goes into air conditioning or cooling. It has significant operation and maintenance costs, and what's also important, it needs a lot of space, because 10 or 15% of the floor space is for ducting, air conditioning system, and so on to operate that. And of course, due to bad maintenance sometimes, it can cause permanently health issues. So what we do differently? Our value proposition actually is, we make better cooling without air. How do we do that? We use a radiant cooling technology which works independent from climate, dealing with the sensible heat of the building, so the direct heat in a space, and not dealing with the humidity and fresh air. This is reserved for the ventilation system, but reduces its size by up to 80%. So the air conditioner or the chiller can be reduced to about 50%, the energy consumption reduces by 30 to 40%, and the space use is 10% reduced, means more rentable space, higher ROI. And the best is, no maintenance is required. But we didn't stop at cooling. We integrated in our unique acoustically effective climate light, heating, cooling, high effective acoustic absorption, and a workspace daylight quality lighting system. It's entirely now for commercial spaces which we equip, and it works completely independently from the ambient climate. It's water-based, so driven by hot water or chilled water, and it comes completely prefabricated on site. Means the installer on site can handle it very easy and install it fast. And it works over 25 years plus over its lifetime, which is way longer, completely maintenance-free. This is my current team, all professionals from the field. Each have over 10 years experience from innovation to air conditioning, HVAC systems, and so on. And we stay profitable since our start in 2017, and we manufacture in Germany. Our projects are commercial, industry, and healthcare environments. And we have some serious customers, from big NASDAQ companies to DAX companies or some mid-sized companies. We also won some awards, national and international, stuff which we're very proud of course. And we look for strategic opportunity, means we look for projects where we can deploy our solution and work hand in hand with architects, engineers, and planners to make radiant cooling accessible on a global scale for all the countries. This means more advantages and less air conditioning, which of course has some health issues. Thank you.